Sweet music. You gonna be the musician in the family now? More. Yeah, we're watching you. Look. Oh, you're gonna compose your own song? Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, you're gonna climb on top of mommy now. I see you. I see you. Come up, up. There you go. You got it. Whoa. You want to show us how you're standing on your own now? Like stand, get your balance, get your balance. Get your balance, get your balance, get your get your balance. Get your balance. Look. Now, hold on. You got to stand up straight. Oh, you don't want mommy to let go for you to stand? Oh, next time? You promise? Say mama.
Mama.
Say dad. Mama. Very good. Say dada. Dada. Say dada. No dada? Dada. You miss dada? Miss daddy? Mama. What? You're climbing. You're a climber, huh? Whoa, okay, I'll move out of the way, buddy. I'll move out of the way so you can go. It just comes out automatically when you're crying, huh?